Alright guys, what's up? We're going to review for your test tomorrow. Okay, so do some 8486 review. We've talked about 84 a lot. Trigonometry, that's where we're at, guys. Trigonometry, that's where it is. Okay, if you don't understand trigonometry, this is your review. You can play it as many times as you want. Listen to my beautiful voice 1,000 times. You're gonna love it. Love it. So we're going to start off with some label each side with the hypotenuse, opposite, or adjacent. And it's all according to the angle. A lot of you don't remember this, but an angle is right here. Okay? Right there. So, got 55. So where is 24 compared to 55 degrees? Adjacent. Put my ADJ right there. You know what I'm saying? Where is my 32? Man, it's way over there. It's way opposite. That's right, opposite. And of course you have your hypotenuse because it's across from my right angle. Alright? So the hypotenuse is across from your right angle. Your opposite is across from your 55 degrees. And 24 is right next to them. Like they're like hugging hands and grabbing. They're like, hey, I love you. You're my best. You're adjacent to me. Okay, adjacent. So that's how you label your sides. That's how you know what adjacent is, opposite is, and hypotenuse, because it's all compared to your angle. Everybody say it? Angle. Very good. All right, so now we want to find x. Okay? Now, what is your angle this time? Oh, it's x. So, according to your angle, where is 7? 7 is... it's opposite. 18 is hypotenuse. Which one of my trig ratios is opposite and hypotenuse? I don't remember. So I guess I gotta write my SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. Sine, opposite hypotenuse. Cosine, adjacent hypotenuse. Tangent, opposite adjacent. Sine, opposite hypotenuse. Cosine, adjacent hypotenuse. Tangent, opposite adjacent. It's trigonometry. We're going crazy. Just like that. So you got opposite and hypotenuse. That's going to be sine. Sine x equals opposite. What's my opposite? You labeled it. You should know it. It's 7. What is my hypotenuse? You labeled it. You should know it. It's 18. X is an angle. I don't know what I'm doing. Yes, I do. Because Mr. Thixton taught me. Sine -1. That's called the inverse. Inverse. Sine -1 of whatever is on this side of the equal sign, which is 7 over 18. So put that in parentheses, 7 over 18. Okay? Get my handy dandy calculator here. Sine 7 divided by 18. So that looks like in your calculator, like that. Alright. You hit enter, and it gives you a decimal of x is approximately, because not exactly, it's approximately, x is approximately 22.9 degrees. Why did I put that degree symbol? That doesn't even make sense. Yes, it does. It's an angle. Okay? Alright, moving on. Finding x again? What? Yeah, trigonometry. It's what we do. So, you got an x here, you got 12 here, and you have your angle. Where do we look from? The angle. So, 12 is opposite. X is hypotenuse. Which one uses opposite and hypotenuse? So, that's right, sine. So sine of 63 equals opposite over hypotenuse. You want to put your x on top, but it matters. The order that you label them matters. Opposite is on top, hypotenuse is on the bottom. Hypotenuse is always on the bottom. Always. So now you just do your little algebra. Times x on both sides, just like this. Cross him out. This becomes x sine 63 equals 12. And now you divide sine 63 on both sides because the sine and the 63 have come together and they cannot be separated. The 63 can't move on its own or multiply on its own. It has to be together with the sine, the cosine or tangent. So you divide by sine of 63. Those cross out, and you're left with x equals 12 divided by sine of 63. When I say over, I mean divided by. So it's 12 divided by sine of 63. See how it says 12 divided by sine of 63, and that gives you 13.5. So x is approximately 13.5. Do I get a little degree mark on here? No, I don't think so. It's not an angle. That's right. You know. You're awesome.